Hey everyone, in this video we are diving into a 2025 comparison of Strapi and Payload, two of the most powerful headless content management systems out here. If you are deciding which one fits your project, stay tuned, we are breaking it all down. Both Strapi and Payload are open source headless CMS platforms designed to help you build flexible backend for websites, apps, or APIs. Strapi is built with Node.js and so is Payload, but the way they handle content modeling, authentication, and development is quite different. Ease of use. Strapi has a visual content builder, making it more beginner friendly. You can create collections, single types, and permissions right from the admin panel. Payload is more developer centric, requiring configuration through code. Great if you want to control, but there is a learning curve. Part 2, customization and flexibility. Payload gives you full control through JavaScript, perfect for custom apps. Strapi has strong plugin support and lets you customize with ease, but it's more structured than Payload. If you are a solo developer, Payload might feel more raw. Strapi is more polished. Step 3, performance and scalability. In terms of performance, Payload tends to be lighter and faster for API-first workflows. Strapi, while efficiently, can sometimes feel heavier in large-scale apps unless optimized. Both support REST and GraphQL APIs. Number 4, development and hosting. Strapi supports easy development to platforms like Heroku, DigitalOcean, and Vercel. Payload, on the other hand, is a bit more DIY, often hosted via Docker or custom environments. So, as for the final verdict, go with Strapi if you want a UI-rich structured experience with less code, and choose Payload if you are a developer who wants total flexibility and don't mind working in code. Like and subscribe for more developer comparisons and let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Thank you so much for watching.